So the study that was recently presented on TAK-788, or also known as mobocertinib, was the extension study of the phase 1 clinical trial known as the EXCLAIM study. This study included 96 patients that have been treated with mobocertinib at the recommended phase 2 dose. And what was presented at the WCLC meeting was the data on this group of patients, as well as a slightly larger group of patients that came from the phase 1 trial that had previously received platinum-based chemotherapy, known as the PPP cohort, and this was 114 patients. And what was presented at the WCLC meeting was both efficacy and safety in this patient group. In terms of the efficacy, there was, depending on how you looked at it, based on investigator assessment or independent review assessment, and a response rate of about 25 to 35%, and a median PFS of 7.3 months, both by investigator as well as by independent review. Side effects of TAK-788 or mobocertinib included predominantly GI side effects, with diarrhea being the most common side effect in this patient population. So this is an agent. Mobocertinib is an agent for patients that do not currently have effective targeted therapies. Although we have approved EGFR inhibitors for lung cancer, this agent is being developed for a subgroup of patients known as those with EGFR exon 20 insertions. And this is about 10% of EGFR mutant lung cancer, and one that where we do not have a effective therapy. So there's certainly a degree of excitement about having therapies potentially for this patient population, as no targeted therapies have previously not existed. I think the questions I most commonly get from my colleagues include, of course, the efficacy question, safety questions. Does this agent